Imagine uploading a 300-page research paper, a dozen PDFs, your meeting notes, and a few Google Docs into NotebookLM. Then you ask, what were the main causes of the decline in sales? Within seconds, it gives you a well-written answer, and even tells you exactly which document and page the information came from. It almost feels like it has memorized every document you uploaded. But here's the surprising part. NotebookLM doesn't repeatedly read every document every time you ask a question. So how does it know exactly where to look? Let's imagine it did. Suppose you've uploaded 50 documents containing nearly 1,000 pages. If NotebookLM had to reopen every page, understand every paragraph, and then answer your question every single time, responses would take far too long. And just like with large code bases, modern language models simply cannot fit hundreds of pages into their context window at once. So whatever NotebookLM is doing, it has to be much smarter than reading everything repeatedly. This is where the real architecture begins. As soon as you upload your documents, NotebookLM starts processing them in the background. First, it extracts the text from each document. Then it splits the text into smaller chunks, usually paragraphs or logical sections. Each chunk is then converted into an embedding, which is simply a mathematical representation of its meaning rather than its exact words. Finally, all of these embeddings are stored inside a vector database, creating a searchable knowledge index of your documents. This preparation happens only once when documents are added or updated. Every future question reuses this index instead of processing everything again. Now imagine asking, what were the reasons for declining sales? NotebookLM doesn't compare that English sentence directly against every paragraph. Instead, it converts your question into another embedding using the same embedding model. Now both your question and every document chunk exist in exactly the same mathematical space. Comparing meaning suddenly becomes super fast. This is where NotebookLM becomes much more intelligent than a traditional search engine. It isn't simply looking for exact words. Imagine one document talks about revenue decline, another mentions reduced customer spending, and another discusses lower quarterly income. Even if none of them use your exact wording, NotebookLM understands that they're talking about the same idea. The vector database measures semantic similarity and retrieves only the handful of chunks whose meaning is closest to your question. Those retrieved paragraphs aren't the final answer. NotebookLM first assembles them into a context package. Think of this as creating a personalized mini textbook containing only the relevant pages needed to answer your question. Instead of sending hundreds of pages to the language model, it sends only these carefully selected passages. And only now does the language model enter the picture. Instead of reading every uploaded document, it receives only the selected context and uses it to generate a coherent answer. Because NotebookLM remembers exactly where every retrieved paragraph came from, it can also attach citations showing the original source. That's why NotebookLM often feels more trustworthy than a general chatbot. It can point back to the evidence behind its answers. Let's step back and look at the complete picture. NotebookLM doesn't memorize your documents. It first builds a searchable index of everything you upload. Every question is converted into meaning matched against that index, and only the most relevant pieces are retrieved. Finally, the language model reasons over that small collection of evidence to generate an answer with citations. This entire architecture is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. And once you recognize this pattern, you'll start seeing it everywhere, from enterprise chatbots to customer support systems and AI search engines. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. AI doesn't become smarter by reading everything. It becomes smarter by retrieving the right information before it starts reasoning. Hope you enjoyed the sketch. We'll see you in the next one.